A very warm good morning to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal Hotel Management Department. Today I am going to discuss about cafeteria. Basically, what is a cafeteria? A cafeteria is a type of food service location in which there is a little or no waiting staff, table service, whether a restaurant or within an institution such as a large office building or a school dining location is also referred to as a dining hall or a canteen. It is a self-service. Basically, we found in a cafeteria there have a self-service. Guests help themselves to serve or taking the food. Instead of table service, there are food serving counter stalls either in a line or allowing the arbitrary and walking paths. Customer takes the food that they desires as walk along, placing it on a tray. Then type of cafeteria. The cafeteria is mainly classified into two types: traditional cafeteria and free flow cafeteria. Basically, traditional cafeteria, it consists of the straight line of counters and containing a variety of hot and cold dishes. The customer starts from one end of the line and pick up a tray and move along the length of the counter as he selects the dish he wants to have. The cashier at the end of the counter make a bill and collect the payment. Note required if the meal is pre-laid. Normally the service hall is away from dining area. Flow of activity in traditional cafeteria: guest enter, then pick up tray, then joins queue at the counter, pick up the dishes of his choice, get seats and have a food, goes into dining hall, pick up cutlery and napkin and pay to cashier. Free flow cafeteria. In the free flow cafeteria system, counters are segregated according to the type of dishes offered: hot and cold, appetizer, soup, bread, sandwich, entree, salad and pastas and so on. Tray and other essential service equipment are kept on a table at convenient place. Guests pick up tray and go to the counter of their choice and select whatever dish they want to exit through the payment point at the entrance of the dining hall. So thank you to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics.